If you want to see how I got this natural looking crochet hairstyle, then keep watching. I started with my hair freshly washed, and then I went in and did some plaits or some braids, just a regular 3-strand braid down. If you're a strong braider, you can skip this step and just do some straight back cornrows. You could do 6 or 8 or however many cornrows you would like to do. But if you know me, I am not a good braider, so I just did it like this. Once I did about 10 to 12 of these plaits, I braided them all back together in one jumbo braid. This just made the process a lot easier because, like I said before, I am not a strong braider. The best part about this protective style is that the braiding pattern does not matter. Your braids can be as ugly as you want. I tucked in the end of my braid just to make sure that it was out of the way, and this is what it looked like once I was finished. And like I said previously, if you're a strong braider, just do 6 straight back cornrows. They don't have to be cute. This is the hair that I use, and I recommend this hair because it is very dense and it is very thick, and it fluffs out really well so you can use less hair. Now we can begin crocheting. For this step, you'll need a crochet pin. You push the pin through your real hair. Then you will attach the fake hair to the hook part of the pin and close that little latch. You pull the hair through once the latch is closed. If the latch is not closed, then you will be tugging on your real hair. Once you pull your synthetic hair through, you're going to make a little loop with it. So you push the right piece into the left piece and make it into a little knot. Once that knot is on, it means your hair is secure and your crochet hair won't be going anywhere. This is how my hair looked once I put 3 pieces of the synthetic crochet hair into my real hair. Again, as you can see, this hair is extremely fluffy, so a little goes a long way. I crochet the hair about an inch distance away from each other, or as it's needed. The pack of hair I'm using, I believe, is 27 inch, and I actually cut it in half, as you can see. By buying a longer pack of hair and then cutting it in half, I'm able to use just one pack to fill my entire head of hair. I'm almost done with the crochets and I've only used one pack so far. This is how long the hair comes, and then I cut that in half. Again, I'm showing you guys how to do the crochet. You push the pin through, you connect the hair to the pin, close the latch, and slide it through your hair. Then you make a knot by opening that circle and then pushing that piece through, and your hair is secure. I use smaller pieces towards the front if I feel like it, just so it looks a little bit neater, although nobody's really going to be seeing the roots because, as you can see, this hair is so full, it is so fluffy, it is so dense, and we'll be able to see your roots, which is why I said the braiding pattern does not matter. I go in and trim off the ends that I don't like. You can clearly see some pieces that are just longer and sticking out and obviously just don't look good, so they need to be cut. But you can also cut the hair shorter and shape it however you would like to shape it. This hairstyle lasts about 3 to 4 weeks depending on maintenance. If you would like a video on the maintenance and my nighttime routine, please leave me a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe.